How to create 0.5 on TikTok. Creating a 0.5 screen effect on TikTok, often called the 0.5 zoom or ultra wide effect, gives that trendy distorted wide angle look. So here is how to do so. First of all you have to do is open the TikTok app on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. And simply open the TikTok app like regularly as you are making the regular videos. So once in there, you can simply see photo option available right next to the 15 seconds tab. As you can see, this is not a wide angle screen. So once you tap on the photo, you will be shown as a wide angle option on your TikTok screen. So here simply tie switching and that is it. So now you can make video from the photos option available there and have ultra wide lenses. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.